Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus 9's formula. What is the formula of plus 9? It's plus 10 minus 1. Where are we going to apply this formula? When in our questions, we won't have enough beats to add 9. We will apply the formula of 9. How? Let's see. We are going to start with the B row. A row is your homework, okay? Let's start. B row first question. Plus 1 plus 9. See, can I do 9 now? Do I have any beats to add 9? No, right? See, can you see any beats to add 9? So, what's the formula of 9? Plus 10 minus 1. When we don't have enough beats to add 9, we apply its formula. Then, moving on with the question. Plus 2 plus 3. Can I do 3 now? Any beats? Can you see? For 3? No, right? Formula of 3? Plus 5 minus 2. For every number, when we don't have enough beats, we apply the formula. Next, plus 3 plus 9. Do I have enough beats to do 9? No. So, formula of 9 plus 10 minus 1. Then, minus 2 plus 5. Easy. Wherever you can't do 9, just apply its formula that is written at the top. Next, 2 plus 9. Can I do 9? No. So formula of 9, what is it? Plus 10 minus 1, then plus 4. Can I do plus 4? No. Formula of plus 4, plus 5 minus 1, then minus 2. Can I do minus 2? No. So formula of minus 2, minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 13. Next question. Plus 4 plus 9. Again, I can't do 9. So, formula of 9 is plus 10 minus 1. Then plus 2. After 9, it's plus 2, no? So, formula of plus 2, because we can't do 2, no beats to do 2. So, formula of 2 is plus 5 minus 3. Then, after 2, it's 1. My answer is 16. Okay. Next. Plus 5 plus 1 plus 9. Again, no beats to do 9. So, formula of 9 is plus 10 minus 1. Then after 9, it's plus 2. My answer is 17. Okay, guys, I hope it's clear. A row is your homework. B row we have done in the class. Do let me know the answers of the A row in the comments. Bye-bye.